Got a couple fishing seats up front on pedestals. This is what happens when we have this heavyweight carpet and your boat is left covered for the majority of its life. We're just gonna get the mildew, the mold on the seats. Some of this will clean off, some of it will not. So let's play it safe. We're going with all new seating, premium seating from pontoonstuff.com. This will all look completely different. We'll have more of a front deck space versus being pushed all the way to the front. We'll get rid of some seats they don't need. We'll have some fishing seats they do need. This console's going, we're gonna go with a large helm. It'll still have this L couch, this lounger, but the big change is we're getting rid of all of this space back here that he doesn't need. It's gonna look completely different, all new everything, vinyl floor, because look at the moss starting to grow, the green mildew. Vinyl floor is gonna let everything breathe better under the railings. It's gonna keep things dry. It's gonna keep things from getting moldy over time. We're gonna get into it, and this 2004 Bennington is gonna look a lot nicer when we're done with it. We're back with this fully restored 2004 Bennington. This is a 20-foot boat, 8-foot wide, and this has been transformed into a customized fishing machine. We did the tan woven floor, stainless steel cleats, LED navigation lights, as well as LED docking lights. This is another option to put them out on the rub rail like this, where they're protected by the nose cone. This boat has a brand new 24-volt Minn Kota Tarova trolling motor that's got iPilot, so it can be controlled with a little lanyard control from anywhere in the boat. The other big thing, this boat is the first one we've done with Garmin's Live Scope. He's gonna compete with anybody else on the lake in terms of finding and catching fish. The best stuff is on the inside. Let's climb up and take a look. As you look in the boat, we have fishing rod holders all around the railings, front and back. We have custom welded, lockable, this is a rod locker, so we can store up to 12-foot rods broken down. It's a little over 6 foot long. We have lockable battery boxes up front for the 24-volt system for the trolling motor, as well as some storage in there too. One of the coolest things about this boat is that it can be a hardcore fishing machine, but then we can still stack 6 to 8 people in here, comfortably sitting on couches, fishing seats, the captain's chair is a reclining helm chair. We have the large helm from pontoonstuff.com, an 8x8 bimini that's going to give coverage over the console, right to the back of these fishing seats. So it gives us all those comforts of a nice cruising pontoon, but the ability to catch fish like nobody's business. Underneath these seats is a box, a storage box that's lockable, and that holds 2 6-gallon gas tanks, so that one can be removed from the boat and refilled while the other one's being used, so we're never left stranded on the water. All in all, this is a boat that you cannot buy brand new with everything on it set up just the way the customer likes it, and that's one of those benefits of restoring an older pontoon versus buying new. This thing's ready for the water. It's heading back down to Ohio today to get put in its slip and used all summer. Thanks for watching.